Welcome to Wonder Garden. Today, I'll share with you an extremely simple way to quickly revive a pot of orchids that has rotted, seemingly beyond hope. This is a method I've applied many times in my garden, and the results always surprise me. The special thing is that anyone can do it at home, without needing chemicals or special tools, just a bit of patience and a few familiar ingredients. So, if you have a weak orchid with damaged roots and wilted leaves, don't rush to throw it away. Join me, step by step, to save the beauty of this orchid. When looking closely at this orchid pot, I noticed the leaves have started to rot, becoming mushy at the base, a clear sign that the plant has been waterlogged for a long time. The root system isn't any better. Many roots are severely damaged, turning black and mushy. Moss is a common medium used in commercial settings, where orchids are grown for transport and short-term display. This type of medium retains moisture very well, and if not replaced promptly after bringing the plant home, the roots can easily become waterlogged and the base can rot. So, the first and most important step in revival is to completely remove the old medium. Thoroughly check the condition of the roots and leaves and proceed with treatment immediately. Now, we'll start by cutting away all the rotten roots. Use very sharp, sterilized scissors and keep only the healthy, firm roots that are white or light green. Roots that are brown-black, mushy, or have a foul smell are dead. If left, they'll continue spreading disease to the healthy parts of the plant. The rotten top part of the plant is the same. Remove all the blackened, decayed sections. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After trimming, rinse the plant's base thoroughly under running water to completely remove any remaining old medium. This is a crucial step. If the base isn't cleaned properly, lingering pathogens and fungi will continue to grow, making it difficult for the plant to recover no matter how well we care for it. After rinsing, I'll use candle wax to coat the cuts to prevent bacteria from re-entering. Prepare 1 liter of clean water. Room temperature water is best. Then add 1 small teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is an easily found kitchen ingredient, but is highly effective in preventing fungi and harmful bacteria for the plant. Stir the solution until the baking soda is fully dissolved. This solution is very gentle, doesn't harm the plant, and helps lightly disinfect the freshly trimmed base, preventing fungal infections during this sensitive post-treatment phase. After preparing the solution, place the plant's base in it. Let the base soak for about 30 minutes. This will protect the orchid's base from fungal diseases and enhance its recovery ability. The remaining water in the container can be used to care for other orchids in your garden. Simply use this water to lightly water the base and leaves of other orchids, as it effectively protects them from pathogens and fungi. This is a smart way to repurpose leftover water, both economical and beneficial for all the orchids in your garden. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. After 30 minutes, you can take the base out. With the base still green and healthy, the orchid will revive very quickly. Now, I'll use dry, treated pine bark to repot this orchid base. Pine bark is a very suitable medium for orchids, as it retains moisture well and is airy, helping the roots develop healthily without waterlogging. Before planting, make sure to treat the pine bark by soaking it in hot water for about 30 minutes to remove any dust and bacteria. Then, remove and let it drain. Ensure the roots are fully covered by pine bark, but don't let the bark cover the base too high, as this can easily cause rot. The orchid will need time to adapt to this new environment. Cover the surface of the medium with a bit of dry moss. Dry moss helps retain moisture for the plant and creates a gentle protective layer for the new roots, preventing damage or drying out due to overly dry air. After covering with moss, leave the orchid as is for the first 3 days without watering. This is a very important step, as the plant needs time to stabilize and shouldn't be waterlogged right after changing the medium. After 3 days of rest, I'll water the plant. After watering, I'll soak the plant in water for about 10 minutes to help it absorb water maximally. Soaking like this helps the roots develop healthily and prevents drought conditions. After soaking, let the plant drain and continue monitoring its growth. On regular days, mist the plant every 4 days with a light spray bottle. This maintains humidity for the root system without causing waterlogging. I'll cover the plant with a plastic bottle that has ventilation holes cut out. Also, place the plant in an area with soft light, avoiding direct sunlight. Orchids prefer airy environments and indirect light, which helps them grow well without stress. After 1 month of care, the plant's shoots have started to emerge, a clear sign that the plant is reviving and growing again. Additionally, a few new roots have begun to appear, showing that the orchid is gradually adapting to the new environment and preparing to grow more robustly. To provide nutrients for the orchid to grow faster during this stage, I'll use 5 tablespoons of rice. Add to 2 liters of warm water. Stir well and let it steep for 2 hours. And let it steep for 2 hours. After steeping, I'll filter out the rice and use the water to water the plant's base. Water gently and evenly, avoiding overwatering to prevent water pooling in the pot, which could cause root rot. The rice water provides enough nutrients for the shoots to develop healthily and the roots to grow more evenly. Apply this recipe to the orchid once every 15 days to ensure it has enough nutrients to grow. After using the rice water to water the orchid, I won't discard the leftover water, but will use it to care for a lily plant. This lily hasn't been cared for in a long time, so the leftover rice water will provide extra nutrients to help it grow and recover quickly. First, I'll use a soft cloth or cotton to wipe the lily's leaves with the leftover rice water. Wiping the leaves provides moisture and cleans dust from the surface, while the nutrients from the rice water absorb into the leaves, helping the plant take them in better. After wiping the leaves, I'll use the remaining water to water the lily's base. This will provide additional nutrients for root and stem growth. Ensure the water is applied gently and not excessively to avoid waterlogging, helping the lily recover strongly. After 3 months of care, the orchid has shown remarkable changes. The young shoots have developed very healthily with lush green leaves, indicating that the plant has fully recovered and is growing robustly. The roots are growing evenly, helping the plant stabilize and absorb nutrients effectively. At this point, you can care for the orchid as usual. Give your orchid love and care diligently, and it will feel that love. The orchid will reward you with beautiful, vibrant, colorful blooms. Finally, take a moment to admire the blooming orchids in my garden. They're the wonderful result of months of care and patience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more plant care experience sharing videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.